not as bad as I look.
Good morning, folks! Yesterday I could stay at some warm showers house here in Rimouski, and we had a nice gathering with some friends of theirs at the beach at the evening, and this morning I was a little bit late because shoot! Arrête, because there is no one coming, but we have to stop here. That is typically Canada. So we have to stop here and wait for someone to come. Yeah. So we go further on to the next arrête. I had some issue with commute because that was sold, and since it was sold, it doesn't work anymore. I can download it, and when I want to change it, there is blank, there is nothing, there is, this app sucks with the time, and, bonjour, pas d'arrêt, no. So, merci, en route. So first I had problems with commute, and then I had problems with my bank card. I cannot get any money out of the bank, and for sure they say, check with your bank on Sunday, for sure it's always Sunday. I'm getting nuts. So and today I want to go to Matane, but I think I will arrive at midnight because I get nowhere. It's already 10 o'clock in the morning and I have done 0 kilometers, and I will never get anywhere because when you go for somewhere there is another arrête, and you have to stop and wait until someone is coming, because otherwise it makes no sense to stop here. Hi, madame. Now I arrived in Matane, and I was looking for a Scotiabank, and I was driving. I was looking for a town, but there was no town, and so I was driving about 3 kilometers too far, and I had to return to find out that the ATM is inside a gas station, and inside the gas station it was hidden somewhere next to the toilets as well. But the good story is I finally have some money, so I could withdraw some money. It's just the National Bank, Banque Nationale, just don't want to give some money out. So, and now I have to stop again because there is another arrête. For sure there is. So now I'm looking for the campground here, so that will be up a very steep hill for sure. Because they can, it's not, I don't know, I have no clue about that, why, just because they can. Insane! Good morning, folks. So today I tried to get out of this campground, but yesterday I took a day rest because I really needed to have a rest. But that road is too steep and too much gravel. It's no way that I can go up that hill. It's not possible. No way. And I just have to wait until someone can drag me up that hill, because the campground don't want to help me anyway. So a nice man could drag me up the hill, and I'm back on the road again. go insane. Insane. The first step was insane, and there will be 2 more. Obelix will say the Canadians are nuts. No, you don't see it on the camera. It's just insane steep. So I finally reached Amqui, but on the campground the only non-electric sides are up a steep hill, gravel hill for sure. I got stuck, so I went back, and yeah, I think that's the overflow campground here beside the playground, and at least they have some shade, some trees, so I'll just pick the tent somewhere here. Good morning, folks! Yesterday I went to Amqui, and after I pumped up the tubes of my wheels, I was shocked because I saw that my idler was broken in half, and this morning I dismounted it and I tried to fix it somehow, just in a makeshift way that I can't go on, and I tried to order some new one. I don't know where to get it, but I have to do it on the go. And now I will go along the Matapédia River down to Matapédia. I hope I will reach there without any bigger issues. That's the street. Oh no, that's the street, but it's no difference. St. Florence, the first place where it is possible to ride through without Matapédia was not possible because it was gravel about 20 degrees down, so I couldn't get up again. I need to find a new campground. The other campground on the other side is going down gravel as well, steep as well, so that won't work either. So I have to go to the next town, and there is a park, and it will go gravel up the hill. So I really don't know where to spend the night today.